In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Zoho in just 5 minutes. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage taxes within your Zoho Books account. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, adding taxes correctly is crucial for compliance and accurate accounting. Let's dive right in by starting with the basic step, logging into your Zoho Books account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Zoho Books login page. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your financials. Now we'll move on to finding the settings you need to adjust. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to configuring many of the aspects of your Zoho account. From here, select Taxes and Compliance. This section is specifically designed for managing tax-related settings and ensuring your business complies with tax regulations. Once you're in the Taxes and Compliance section, find and click on the Taxes tab. This is where you can manage existing tax rates or create new ones. To add a new tax, look for the New Tax button and click on it. This will open a form where you can start entering the details of the new tax you wish to create. First up, you need to enter a name for your new tax. The name you choose should be descriptive and easily recognizable, as this will make it straightforward to apply the correct tax across your transactions. After you've named your tax, the next field you'll need to fill in is the tax percentage. Enter the applicable percentage for the tax you're setting up. Be sure to double check that the percentage is correct. Small errors here can lead to larger complications down the line. After entering the name and percentage, it's time to save your work. Simply look towards the bottom of the form and click the Save button. Upon saving, your new tax will be applied and become available for use in transactions. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new tax to your Zoho Books account. Ensuring your taxes are correctly configured will help maintain accurate financial records and compliance with applicable regulations. If you need to set up more taxes, you can easily repeat the process. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to leave any questions or comments below. We're here to help you navigate your accounting journey smoothly.